These eye drops are used to alleviate dry, irritated eyes. The active ingredient, perfluorohexyloctane, helps to prevent your tears from drying up, keeping your eyes moist and protecting them from injury and infection. It also helps to reduce symptoms of dry eyes, such as burning, itching, and feeling as if something is in the eye. It is recommended to use these eye drops as directed by your doctor, typically 1 to 2 drops in each eye, several times a day. The best time to take these eye drops is usually in the morning and at night before bed for optimal relief. When using Miebo 100% eye drops, remember to wash your hands before application to avoid contamination. If you have dry eyes, it's best to remove your contact lenses before using the eye drops, and wait at least 30 minutes before putting them back in. Tilt your head back, look upward, and pull down the lower eyelid to create a pouch. Hold the dropper directly over your eye and place 1 drop into the pouch. After applying the eye drops, wait a few minutes before driving or operating machinery. Use this medication regularly at the same times each day for the best results. If your condition persists or worsens, be sure to consult your doctor. If you experience eye redness or temporary blurred vision while using Miebo 100% eye drops, make sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to remember that this medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor has determined that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. While many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects, it's crucial to seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms of a serious allergic reaction such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. If you notice any other effects not mentioned here, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. Before using Miebo 100% eye drops, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have. This product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. It's important to discuss your medical history with your healthcare provider before using this medication. After applying the eye drops, your vision may be temporarily blurred. Avoid driving, operating machinery, or any activity that requires clear vision until your vision has returned to normal. If you are planning to have surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the medications you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, Miebo 100% eye drops should only be used when clearly needed. It's important to discuss the risks and benefits of using this medication with your doctor. It is also unknown whether this drug passes into breast milk, so consult your doctor before using it while breastfeeding. When using Miebo 100% eye drops, it is important to be aware of potential drug interactions. These interactions could alter the effectiveness of your medications or increase the risk of experiencing serious side effects. To ensure your safety, it is crucial to keep a comprehensive list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It is important to always consult with your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. This will help to ensure that you are using Miebo 100% eye drops safely and effectively. If Miebo 100% eye drops are swallowed, it can be harmful. If someone has overdosed and is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it is important to call 911 immediately. Otherwise, reach out to a poison control center right away. In the U.S., residents can contact their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can reach out to a provincial poison control center. Always be cautious and keep Miebo 100% eye drops out of the reach of children. Do not share Miebo 100% eye drops with others. This medication is used to treat dry, irritated eyes. It helps to lubricate the eyes and relieve discomfort. Use as directed by your doctor, usually 1 to 2 drops in the affected eyes as needed. For best results, use at the same times each day. If you forget to use a dose of Miebo 100% eye drops, use it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and use the next dose at the regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. When using Miebo 100% eye drops, it's important to store them at room temperature and away from light and moisture. Avoid storing them in the bathroom and always keep them out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposal, Do not flush the medication down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Properly discard the product and it is expired or no longer needed, and it's best to consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the proper disposal method. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.